So first, we're going to pick our knee up. So wherever your knee points, that's where the kick is going to go. And what we're going to do is the knee becomes a hinge. We're going to actually extend our leg. We're going to kick with the ball of the foot or the top instep of the foot. Okay? Your target areas are the groin and knee. Obviously, you could kick all over the body, different vital areas. But right now, we're going to focus on the knee and groin. So if the attacker is on the ground or lower than you, you could kick towards the face or ribs or ankle. While kicking to the groin, I actually prefer the instep because it's a broader weapon, and I like to use the attacker's legs to guide my kick to the groin. You could kick with the ball of the foot, which would have more power, but it's a smaller striking area. So, I really want you to focus on kicking with the ball of your foot, because remember, that's a smaller striking area. You're going to get a lot more power. So, the first thing I want you to do is basically just lift up your heels off the ground and just feel the balls of your feet on the ground. Okay, so you're curling your toes back. I'm going to go sideways. Lift up your heel, just trying to get that muscle memory locking your ankle. All right? So, we're just basically going to do some lifts, lifting up your heel off the ground. You're obviously working your calf muscles. See if you can hold it for a period of time. And now when we throw this kick, it's very important that you utilize your hips. So you're going to put one leg back, and that back leg, I want that foot to be turned at least 30-degree angle. This is a good way to warm up, just stretching your leg and getting that ankle position right. So extending your leg, you can hold it out for a period of time if you want. From this position, if I really want a good exercise, I can move my foot in any direction, circular. You'll feel the burn. I want you to go to a full extension. You want to fully extend your leg, lock it out so you're punching right through your target. So from here, basically you're going to lay back, lift up your legs. I like to keep my head and shoulders off the ground for a good ab workout. Point my knee, keep my hands up, and then execute with the ball of the foot. So alternating legs, or if there's a favorite leg you'd like to use, just use that leg. You could do it slow, you could do it fast. You could actually lift your hip off the ground. Hey, you might be on the ground, someone might be coming after you. You might have to use your legs to defend yourself.